Hello, today is, what is today? Today is 2nd September 2020. I don't make this up. Yeah, and then this arrived in the mail. I'm sure you might recognize this because you sold this to me, or okay. This is a I'm going to open up a Canon PowerShot A1400. There goes his phone. Okay. Mine does this. That's what it does. It's broken. Got a broken screen. You can see that there. It does work otherwise, but it's broken. Okay, so I have batteries, and then I have a good card there. All right, so now this is what I bought. All right, and all right, so I want to show you that it says that, and then it says it's been checked out, takes beautiful pictures, and so on and so forth. So, all right, so it's used. I understand that, and I just want to show you the pictures real quick. Where are the pictures? Here. There's a picture. Okay, so it looks like that. All right, looks like that. Sorry about the reflection of the thing, but there's that. That looks like that. And so that's all I know. So now, okay, I'm waiting on you. Are you off the phone now? Great. Okay, great. So now I'm going to hand this off to my friend. You're going to hold this camera here like that. Okay. All right. So now, and then point it on me. I just, told everybody, the whole world, whatever this is. I'm not showing the other side of this, but this was shipped. Gosh, what day was this thing shipped? This thing was shipped. I ordered it on the 31st. It got here on the 2nd. So that's like 3 days. It came from New Hampshire. Okay. So, without showing his name and my address, but I already showed his listing on the thing, and hopefully I've described it like that. So here's that, and there goes his phone again. So here again, this is mine. Okay, this is mine, and I already powered it up a second ago. Let's see here. Turn it on. Comes on. It has that horrible looking thing there because the screen is cracked. So let me turn that off. Okay. I'll take the batteries out of this one. Okay. Alright, so there's a couple batteries, good batteries. Okay, now here's the one that he sent me. Do I have to get the scissors out again? I do. He taped it up. Golly. Alright, let's not cut the strap. So there's that. Okay. And then, can we get the camera out? Barely. I have to cut it some more. Don't hurt the camera with the scissors. Okay, so there we go. Maybe now we can get it out. There we go. Okay, great. So there it is. Looks like that. Okay, it's nice and clean. Really clean. Look at that. It's a lot cleaner than mine. Of course, mine's been used, but so here, let's put some batteries in it. Okay, it opens like that. Okay, positive to here. Okay, this is an envelope for those that don't know. There's that. Now let me get this is a verified by me, a class 4 gig Panasonic SD card. Okay, so that goes in here like this if I remember right. So there it goes, locked in place. Turn that on, and so now just turn it on, and oh gosh. Okay, well, okay, this one you have to, well, okay, so it did come on. You can see me, right? Well, here, can you get right up there close to seeing me? No, there you go. Yeah, you can't look at the screen. You have to look at that. So okay. When I move the camera, you have to move that. All right. So okay. Anyway, so that works like that. And I don't know if I can operate this camera backwards, but that would be zooming one way, and this would be zooming the other way. Okay. And then of course we can just take a picture and zoom out the other way. Well, there we go. That. And take another picture. Whoa, flash. Okay, so now, so now let me go back to the, what is it? Here's the play button. So I took a picture of that, and of course you can zoom into it, and then go to the next picture. I took a picture, well that was, yeah, well that still reads, well that's cool, that reads the other pictures I took the other day of the other camera. Okay, well this is very nice. Most of all I like about though this one allows me to take pictures by, I turned it off. Alright, so I'm not going to take a picture. Well, I'll take a picture of him. No, I'll take a picture of that. Just, there we go. Okay, so I took a picture of not quite his face, but you can, wait, let me go back to review. So here, oh, wait, okay, wait. There's a picture of his face, or the guy that's holding the camera, right? So good day, bye-bye, hope you enjoyed. I've had too much fun with this nice little camera. I gotta set it all up, set the date, and so on and so forth. Alright, so thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for selling us nice little camera. Bye-bye. Turn it off.